Today I wanted to show you how you can claim your Wormhole airdrop because this is a very big one. The claim is now live for 60 minutes and you can get your allocation and, for example, sell it or trade it on centralized and decentralized exchanges. What exactly is Wormhole again? It's a interoperability protocol which connects many different crypto ecosystems through their bridging technology. The great thing here in this case is the airdrop claim is on the Solana blockchain, so you don't have to pay the expensive Ethereum gas fees or anything similar. No, you can do everything on Solana. Of course, you need a Solana wallet for this. I can recommend you to use the Phantom wallet. If you don't have a Phantom or a Solana based wallet yet, just download it, write down your seed phrase and get a little bit of Solana, send it over from a centralized exchange, for example, or use a bridge to bridge over some Solana to your Solana address that you can claim your airdrop. The Wormhole token is currently trading here on Binance between $1.40 and $1.60. Same counts for all the decentralized trading platforms there. It is also valued at around $1.40 up to $1.60. And as you can see here on the left, it is at a fully diluted market cap of 15.5 billion US dollars, which means it is right from the start a top 15 cryptocurrency. If we take a look into the top 15, there we have Polkadot, for example. And if we take a look at the fully diluted market cap of Polkadot, this is sitting at 12.4 billion US dollars. Of course, there is way less supply on the market at Wormhole, but just to give you an impression how big Wormhole is and how big this airdrop allocation in this case is. So the page where you can claim your airdrop is airdrop.wormhole.com. Don't get scammed. That's the only official page where you can claim your airdrop allocation, which should look like this. First, when you come to the page, you have to accept the terms and conditions, and then you can start claiming your airdrop by clicking on proceed here in this case. Then you just tick all the boxes, or basically all the chains where you get an allocation. Here in my case, I just tick the EVM chain. And if you, for example, were active on the Wormhole Discord, you might also check this one. So you want to click on proceed here, then you want to click on proceed again. And then you want to connect all the wallets where you tick the boxes before. I will just connect my EVM wallet here in this case. I use Rabi for this, and my allocation on this wallet was 2.1k Wormhole tokens. Then you just click on proceed, and then you have to choose the wallet where you want to receive the airdrop. So again, you can choose the Phantom wallet. You can also go with all the other ones which are listed over here. I will just connect my Phantom wallet, and then you can click on proceed again, and you click proceed again. Then if you use an EVM wallet or everything that's not Solana based, you have to sign this wallet. So you just click on sign. Then it says signed here on the right. Then you click proceed again. Then it tells you, please make sure you have connected all required wallets and Discord accounts. And once you did that, you can click on proceed again. And then it says, yeah, you get sent over the Wormhole tokens, and the network fee in this case is very low, just at 2 cents. You just want to confirm this, and then you just wait until it says claiming successful and the token hit your wallet, and then you can send them over to a centralized exchange, or for example also trade them on Jupiter, which is a decentralized platform, or you can, for example, also go use it for DeFi applications like lending and borrowing markets, or supply them for yield farming returns. This is of course completely up to you. Then I'm just gonna click complete. Then it says I've received those tokens, and that's already it. If you like the summary, feel free to hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss future videos like that, which I publish on a daily basis here, feel also free to hit the subscribe button. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.